Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com, and today I'm showing everything that I got in my Sephoria gift bag. I purchased a gold key, which means that this bag has over $1,300 worth of products. At least that's what the website says, so let's see if that's true. I asked you guys in the community page whether you wanted me to go through this bag and sort things into skincare, makeup, hair care, etc. But y'all just wanted me to pick stuff up randomly and just go through it, so that's what we're gonna do. As I go through everything, I'm going to list them here along with their price. I'll also include links to every product that I can find in the description box below, and you'll see some of it come up in the YouTube shopping pop-ups. Alright, so the first product I'm seeing is from Fenty Skin, and this is their Cookies and Cream Detox Face Mask. It doesn't have a very strong scent, kind of just smells clean. This is what it looks like. The next product is from Glow Recipe. It is their Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. Then we have from K18. This is their Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. From Skin Fix, this is their Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Collagen Activating Serum. From Amika, this is their Soul Food Nourishing Mask. From Sol de Janeiro, this is their Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. From Drunk Elephant, this is their Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. From Moroccan Oil, this is their Moroccan Oil Treatment for all hair types. From Dr. Jart, this is their Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. From Pattern, this is their Curl Gel. From Innisfree, this is their Hydration Heroes with Green Tea. This includes 4 products. Their Green Tea Amino Acid Face Cleanser, the Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Acid Toner, the Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and their Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Acid Cream. Both the cleanser and the serum are full size. From Fable and Mane, this is their Holy Roots Pre-Wash Hair Oil. From Tatcha, this is the Indigo Overnight Repair. From Say, we have a Glowy Super Gel. Ooh, from Laneige, we have their Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Hydration Set. This has 4 pieces in it. The Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer, the toner, the serum, and an eye cream. This retails for $45 US, but has a retail value of $62. From Summer Fridays, we have a CC Me Serum. From Ceremonia, this is a Latinay brand. This is their Guava Rescue Spray. From Tower 28, this is their Daily Rescue Facial Spray. From Kosas, we have a Plump and Juicy Lip Booster Buttery Treatment in Clear. Ooh, from Pat McGrath, we have an Intensive Eyes Longwear Primer. From Briogeo, we have a Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Build-Up Detox Spray. This is one of my favorite hair care brands, so love this. From Charlotte Tilbury, we have a Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette. Ooh, that's really pretty. Ooh, from Patrick Ta. What is this? This is their Major Brow Lamination Gel. Oh, I can't wait to try this. From Kilian, we have Good Girl Gone Bad. Look at that. That's a really good size right there. I'm probably going to stick this in my purse as soon as we're done filming. It smells so good. Ooh, from NARS, we have a Power Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Thunder Kiss. This is a really nice color for fall. Ooh, from Tom Ford, we have a Soleil Neige Shimmering Body Oil. So pretty. I love that it's silver toned because I gravitate towards silver more than gold in the winter time. From Benefit, we have their Fan Fest Mascara. From Rare Beauty, we have a Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in Happy. By the way, the Rare Beauty booth was like the best booth at Sephoria, in my opinion. Make sure that you watch my Sephoria experience video that will be coming up this week, because I'm going to spill all the tea. I'm going to tell you which ones were the best booths. I'll give you tips on where to go for next year. Definitely want to stay tuned for that. By the way, if you are new here, my name is Jessica Flores and I am a lifestyle creator. I create content on beauty, makeup, skincare, but also fashion, luxury travel, and so much more. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set up your notifications for all. I make new videos every week, but I don't have a set schedule. So if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. From Function of Beauty, we have a recovery conditioner mask. From Danessa Myricks, we have a Color Fix Foils waterproof liquid glitter pigment. Ooh, this is in Milky Way. All right, this is wrapped in plastic, so I'm just going to insert a photo of it here. From YSL, we have a Libre perfume. From Danessa Myricks Beauty, we have a Lightwork Volume 5 I Am palette. Ooh, Bold Energy Whipped Powder Shifters. From Sephora Collection, we have a Size Up Volume Extra Large Mascara. From Caudalie, we have a Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. From Replica, we have a production of familiar scents and moments of varying locations and periods. Oh, how cute is that? Okay, it includes Beach Walk, Jazz Club, Lazy Sunday Morning, By the Fireplace, and Bubble Bath. From Makeup Forever, we have a lip pencil in Wherever Walnut. From Natasha Denona, we have the Love Face palette. This is an eye and cheek essential palette. Wow. Look at that. Okay, and then we have some perfume samples. From Love Shack Fancy, they just launched or about to launch a scent. This is called Forever in Love. So there is a sample for that. This is from K. Alley. We have 3 samples in here. The scents are Vanilla, Yum, Pistachio Gelato, and Eden, Juicy Apple. And then we have Valentino, Born in Roma. Oh, and the very last thing is a $25 gift card to Bombas. So there you go. That was everything. The total amount for the products here, the magic of editing, I will include what the total value or an approximately total value of the gift bag is. Not including the perfume samples because you can get perfume samples from Sephora for free, so I'm giving that a $0 value. And then I'm just going to estimate some of the products that maybe aren't full size, although everything here I think is full sized. So anyway, that's the value. Was it worth it? It really just depends on every person as an individual. Are you going to use all these products? Are all these products things that you would buy? I mean, monetarily, I would say yes, because at the end of the day, I paid $369 plus tax for my ticket where I got this gift bag, but then all of these other bags filled with products. So for me, the gold key ticket is absolutely worth it. I don't know if it would be for you, but I had a great time, and I will discuss again tips, where I saw things could be better, what I didn't like, etc., in an upcoming video where I talk about my experience. If you have any questions about Sephoria, anything that you're curious about, what you saw, what you didn't see, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below before I film that video. I'm not going to film that video today, so if you have any questions, anything that you want me to discuss, please include that in the comment section below so that I can see them in time to answer them in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.